everyone, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to discuss that how did I clear my CA intermediate examination within 45 days approximately. That means I failed in my May 25 attempt. Thereafter I give my both group again in September 25 attempt and I cleared. Yes. Today's video is all about my strategies, my initiative taken to clear my attempt and all. So let's start today's discussion. So for the very first time I failed something in my entire life, that is my intermediate examination May 25. And I know many of you relate me that the feelings of failure just break you from inside, like ओके होता है, चलो ठीक है, बड़ी बड़ी शहरों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है, दैट्स वेरी फाइन. बट आई रियलाइज्ड कि May 25 में आई डिड सम मिस्टेक्स एंड आई promised myself that I would not repeat that mistake in my September attempt. Mistake number one is I just only listening the lectures. I just listen, yeah. I that doesn't mean I didn't understand the concept and all. I understood, but I only listened to the lectures and all. I never wrote it down. So this is mistake number one. And in September attempt, I wrote everything, especially theory subjects like law, SM. You have to rewrite. You have to write. Writing practice is necessary. I'm telling you, writing practice is necessary. So and I studied for 8 to 9 hours a day, and this is very constant. This was very constant, uh, like 8 to 9 hours daily. From May result, that is I guess it's 6th July, and I started studied from 7th July I guess, and till my examination over I just daily maintain a consistency of my study routine, and then I revise. Don't only study, I'm telling you guys, don't only study, revise everything that you have studied. Revision is the most important path to clear your examination, whether inter or anything. So yeah, revision is must. It's a necessary step to clear it. So yeah, I revised all the concepts I read and everything. Like, and taxation का जो बहुत amendments आता है ना, this can create a hinder. So do not take that hinder, just open yourself for learning, that yeah, I have to learn everything. Jai like amendments and all, मैंने सब कुछ learn किया था amendments. So बता दो कि मैं फाउंडेशन में PW से ली हूँ एंड इंटरमीडिएट का पूरा सब्जेक्ट में PW से ली हूँ. तो जसमीत सर, very 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 amazing teacher in my taxation, direct and indirect both of I have studied from Jasmeet sir. So in YouTube, sir's lecture is almost provided there, so you can check out two amendments and all. मैंने वहाँ से complete की थी. And अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड मैंने बहुत टाइम रिवीजन की थी, बहुत टाइम, बिकॉज अकाउंटिंग स्टैंडर्ड इज द वन like most important in advanced in your paper number 1 advanced accounting, that AS is mandatory. AS and something, look, I just thinking that I should have make videos in paper number 1 specifically, that the ABC analysis I can provide ABC analysis of it. So, and then the most important part, which is you have that clarity in your mind. Look, everything in this, I think many of you, are almost everyone, is agreeing with myself that everything is here. Just trust the process, trust God, trust in yourself, believe in yourself, believe in the universe. If you are hardworking, you have the clarity in your mind that you have to achieve your aim or dreams, like, then universe is pushing you to achieve that. Believe me, guys. Yeah. So yeah, with this strategy, I cleared my CA inter examination. So if you want any type of queries related videos and all, you can put a comment or just DM me on Instagram. So yeah, bye bye. Follow me for more Search CA related content. Bye bye.